Number 1. This is a dandelion cup. Number 2. These are sycamore seeds. Number 3. This is a kite. Number 4. This is a frisbee. Number 5. This is a boomerang. Number 6. This is a bow and arrow.
Oh, okay.
I got yellow. Number 7. This is a crossbow bolt. Yeah.
Woo!
Well done. Good job.
Number 8. These are helium balloons. Number 9. These are hot air balloons. Number 10. These are ornithopters. Number 11. These are a group of parachuters called the Tigers. This is a tiger parachute and helmet. And this is me flying at an indoor skydiving centre. Number 12. This is a glider. Number 14. This is a biplane. It has 2 wings. 1, 2. Number 15. This is a triplane. It has 3 wings. 1, 2, 3. Number 16. This is a Spitfire. Number 17. These are Harrier jump jets. They can take off and land vertically.
And making it even more
Number
difficult for
18.
Red 7 to roll
These are
around
red
the rest of that
arrows.
formation.
And this is a model of a red arrow. Number 19. This is a Eurofighter Typhoon. This is the equipment that a Typhoon pilot would wear. This is a Typhoon control stick and throttle. The way to put the bombs down is unlock that, and then unlock that, and then you press that. And it can also talk through it. Number 20. This is a hovercraft. Number 21. This is a short-handed seaplane. Number 24. This is the drone called Medusa. Number 25. This is a Predator drone. Number 26. This is a Stump rocket. Number 27. This is a firework rocket. I am going to be lighting a firework rocket.
Okay. Run.
Number 28. This is a NASA Scout space rocket. Number 29. This is Helen Sharman, and she's an astronaut, and she flew into space. Number 30. This is a missile. Number 31. Bumblebees. Number 32. This is a pipistrel bat, and this is Batty. Number 33. This is a tawny owl. Number 34. These are dragonfly larvae. And this is a dragonfly.
Just keep your hand.
It's gonna fall off. Number 35. These are peacock butterflies. Number 36. This is a pterodactyl. Number 37. This is a reindeer.
Well, the front two, you see, they push them together and they're...
Number 38. This is Mary Poppins. Number 39. This is an angel. Number 40. This is a wicked witch.